Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn our new grammar lesson, doing words. What? Doing words. So, open page number 18 and let us start. First is warm up. Now we will take little up warm up. See, draw lines from the pictures to the words. What you have to do? You have to draw lines from the picture to the words. Here are some pictures and in between there is a one rectangular box, and in between that box there are some words. And what you have to do? You have to draw lines from the pictures to the words. You have to draw lines from that pictures to that particular words. These pictures are some activities, some actions. ये जो है कुछ actions है, मतलब इस पिक्चर में कोई ना कोई कुछ कुछ तो कर रहा है, and we have to match it. See, first is smile. Smile, that means to do smile, smile करना. Now we will find where it is. See, in this picture the boy and girl are smiling. वो जो है वो smile कर रहा है. See very carefully. So match this picture with this word smile. Then next, run. Now tell me who is running in this picture. See very carefully. A, B. In this picture, this, who is running? This boy is running. So match this picture and the word run. Then next, read. Read. Who is reading? कौन read कर रहा है बताओ? Here. So match it. The next, eat. Now tell me who is eating? Smile we have done. Run we have done. Read also we have done. Eat. Here. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. This girl is eating an apple. उसके हाथ में apple है. And she is eating an apple. Then sing. Now tell me, बताओ who is singing? Sing कौन कर रहा है? This boy. Okay. Singing. And last, listen. The boy who is sitting on sofa and he has a radio in his hand. उसके हाथ में radio है and he is listening songs. और वो कुछ तो सुन रहा है. Maybe songs. So match it. Okay, have you done it? आपने किया? If you have done it, अगर आपने किया है, now read with me. These words tell us what the people and animal are doing. Listen and read again very carefully. Keep your finger on it. आपकी उंगली वहाँ पे रखो. These words tell us what the people and animal are doing. These words tell us. These words means these words. Smile, run, read, eat, sing, listen. ये जो words है, they are tell us what the people and animals are doing. ये जो words है, ये हमें बताते हैं कि ये people क्या कर रहे हैं. They are called doing words. And we call them doing words. Doing means करना, means action, कि वो ये सब कुछ तो action कर रहे हैं. That is doing words. Doing words are also called action words. Listen again. Doing words are also called action words. Doing words को हम action words भी कहते हैं. Action words means इनकी जो ये action है, smile is an action, run is an action, read is an action, eat is an action, sing ये भी एक्शन है. एंड लिसन, दीज आर ऑल एक्शन. मीन्स ये कुछ ना कुछ एक्शंस है, इसलिए वी कॉल देम डूइंग वर्ड्स. एंड डूइंग वर्ड्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एक्शन वर्ड्स, और डूइंग वर्ड्स को एक्शन वर्ड्स भी कहते हैं. ओके. नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 19. We have to solve questions. First is, look at the pictures, circle the doing words in the sentences. Look at the pictures, circle the doing words in the sentences. Here what you have to do, you have to look at the pictures. पहले picture को carefully देखना है. And after that, below that picture there is one sentence, एक sentence है. You have to find doing words. उसमें action words means the people or the person, whatever is doing, you have to find it. वो क्या कर रहा है ये आपको find करना है. And you have to circle that doing word or action word. आपको उस doing word को और या फिर action word को, doing word को ही हम action word कहते हैं. We have to circle it. So first see, first picture is of a boy, and what he is doing, he is drinking something ना, कुछ तो पी रहा है ना वो. What? See the sentence, I drink water. I drink water. Drink means पीना, पानी पीना. I drink water. In this word, which is doing word or which is action? See, the boy is drinking, so drink is action. I drink water, so circle drink. I drink water. Understood? The boy is drinking the water, that's why drink is an action. Drink जो है ये action है, इसलिए we have circled it. Next, B. My sister sleeps on the bed. My sister sleeps on the bed. The girl is sleeping on the bed. So here sleeps is a doing word or action word. So circle it. Sleeps. The next, he plays football. The boy in this picture is playing football. He plays football. So here plays is a doing word. Circle it. कि बॉय क्या कर रहा है, फुटबॉल प्ले कर रहा है, खेल रहा है. फादर बेक्स कुकीज. फादर बेक्स कुकीज. In this picture, there is one father with his girl, and his father is doing something. What he is doing? He bakes cookies. वो cookies बना रहे हैं. He bakes cookies. The next, the green frog hops in the pond. The green frog hops in the pond. Now see, the green frog hops. Hops means jump करना. Hops करता है ना, जोर ज़्यादा दूर तक जाता है frog. That is hops. The green frog hops in the pond. So hops ये जो है, this is an action. ये action है, इसलिए we are circling it. Hops. And last, mother drives a car. This is a picture of a car, and one lady is sitting in the car and she is driving the car. Mother drives a car. Mother, मम्मी कार चला रही है. drives ये doing word है, ये action है. That's why we are circling it. Mother drives a car. Now open page number 20. Now see question 2. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the words, these words from the box. Here are one box, ये एक box है, and there are some words which are doing words, which are action words. ये doing words है, ये action words है, and we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, first word is bakes. We can bake cookies, we can bake cake, उसे हम bake करते हैं. Then blows. Blows means to flow, बहना, blows. Then writes, write करना, writes. Grows means बड़ा होना, grows. Eats, eats, all of you know, eats, खाना. Then reads, reads also you know, reads, reading करना. Then plays and builds. Okay, builds means to construct, बांधना, builds. Okay, so let us start. She dash with a pen. Now tell me, she dash with a pen. With a pen or pencil, what we do? हम क्या क्या करते हैं पेन और पेंसिल से? Bakes, blows, writes, grows, eats, reads, plays, builds. क्या करते हैं? हम writes करते हैं. We use pen or pencil for writing. So right here, she writes with a pen. Understood? Next, the wind dash. The wind. Wind means हवा. The wind. हवा क्या होती है? हवा से हवा क्या करते हैं? बहती रहती है. The wind blows. Blows means बहना. BLOWS, blows. Next, Amira dash the guitar. Amira dash the guitar. Amira here plays the guitar. It means गिटार को बजाना. Amira plays the guitar. The next, a bird dash a nest. A bird dash a nest. Bird a nest. Nest means उसका घोंसला, इसमें वो रहता है. Where a bird lives on a tree. So a bird builds means बांधना, builds. A bird builds कि वो अपना घोंसला बनाते हैं ना, on tree. The bird builds a nest. Next, a seed dash into a plant. A seed जो होता है that when we insert or when we put seed on the earth, हम जब जमीन में वो seed लगाते हैं, after that from it plant grows. उससे ही ये plant बड़ा होता है. So a seed grows means seed जो है वो बड़ा होता है, और वो बड़ा होकर क्या होता है? It grows into a plant. Seed grows into a plant. The next, a cow dash grass. A cow dash grass. Cow क्या करेगी grass के साथ? Definitely खा जाएगी. So a cow eats grass. Cow grass खाती है. The next, a baker dash cakes. A baker dash cakes. In the bakery, you will see the cakes, and baker has to bakes. उसे bake करना पड़ता है. A cake, a baker bakes. Baker bakes cakes. And see, mother dash the newspaper in the morning. Mother dash the newspaper in the morning. Newspaper, mother dash the newspaper in the morning. Mother reads. Newspaper used for reading. Newspaper के साथ newspaper को read करते हैं. So mother reads the newspaper in the morning. Morning में mother क्या करती है? Newspaper read करती है. Okay. And today's last question Fill in the blanks with the correct doing words from the box. Here you also fill in the blanks with the correct doing words from the box. In this box, first word is roar. Roar is a very loud sound. Roar. And shine karna, to shine. Then bark means bhokna. Then swim all of you know. Swim karna in the water. Then crawl means rengna, crawl. Those who can't walk, they can crawl. वो crawl करते हैं. And chirp is a sound of birds. Now see, we will fill in the blanks. Lions roar. You know there is a if lion is angry, then lions roar. Lions जोर से ऐसा sound निकलता है. That is roaring. Or lions roar. So right here, lions roar. R-O-A-R. Then fish swim. Fish जो है, fish is swim in the water. Fish swim. Fish पानी में swim करते हैं. Then babies cannot walk. Babies जो होते हैं ऐसे अपने हाथ और पैर से crawl होते हैं. Means रेंगते हैं. That is crawl. Babies crawl. The next birds chirp. Sound of birds, that is chirp. Birds जो at the morning time, if you listen the sounds of birds, you will know that they chirp ऐसा आवाज उनका होता है. That is the birds chirp. Then dogs bark means भौंकना. Dogs bark. And stars in the sky at the night. See above ऊपर देखो sky में, you will see the stars and they are shining. वो ऐसे shine होते हैं. Right? Stars shine. Okay children, we will stop today here. Thank you.